This is a film about forests. This is also a film about you. Our life is full of ups and downs. It doesn't matter who you are or where you live. There are always moments when your heart is broken, burnt, or hurt. When you have to face failure, rejection, or loss. So how do you pick yourself up when you are down? How do you start your healing when you are hurt? First, let us understand the brain. Over thousands of years, our body and brain have developed in the lap of nature. There is a part of you which still feels at home in nature. In fact, it has been scientifically proven that when you are in nature, your brain behaves differently. Being connected with nature results in some amazing changes inside your head, which begin to calm you and soothe your nerves. Your body picks up these signals to boost your immunity and your healing abilities. In our hectic lives, we overuse parts of our brain which deal with logic, information, and decision-making. A world of desires and distractions does not give our brain the rest it deserves. The chatter in our heads often goes out of control, but most people ignore the signs until things go wrong. Many people turn to alcohol and drugs. Some resort to medicines and expensive therapies to get relief from symptoms. Only a few spend time and effort in finding the root cause of the problem. Ask yourself a simple question. What is the source of your health? If you rest your mind and reflect, you'll know. It's nature. Reconnecting with nature is like resetting your brain. This is a film about forests. This is also a film about you. One cannot escape the ups and downs of life, but one can always find calm in nature. One can always find comfort and clarity in the company of woods. The path to healing lies inside you. And when you can learn to carry the forest within you, you are always home. Your healing has begun.